IMF turns down reports of demanding increase in tax on salaries. By Fida Hussain, Karachi International Monetary Fund IMF resident representative in Pakistan has dismissed recent media reports suggesting that the lending body is contemplating advising Pakistan to increase taxes on salaries and business income, along with raising the maximum threshold for petroleum levy. Esther Perez Ruiz clarified that contrary to the circulating information, there are currently no plans for such economic measures. Pakistan operating under a caretaker government following the approval of a $3 billion standby arrangement SBA in July received the first tranche of $1.2 billion. This financial assistance aimed to address a severe balance of payment crisis, with the country's foreign exchange reserves reduced to barely 3 weeks of controlled imports. The IMF, as part of the bailout deal, mandated Pakistan to raise $1.34 billion in new taxation to achieve the necessary fiscal adjustments. As a result, these measures contributed to a historic inflation rate of 38% year on year in the May, the highest in Asia, which still remains above 30%. By Fida Hussain.